A footage of Lisichank after being liberated from Ukrainian radicals by Russian armed forces. The final stage of successful operation for the liberation of Lugansk People's Republic was the liberation of Lisichank, one of the biggest cities in Lugansk People's Republic. The Russian Federation Armed Forces, in coordination with the units of Lugansk People's Republic's militia, have dislodged Ukrainian radicals from the republic. Near social infrastructure nor residential buildings have received any damage during the assault in Lisichank. Minister of Defense of the Russian Federation General of the Army, Sergei Shoigu, said that within 2 weeks, groups in Gorskoye, near Lisichank, and Severodonetsk have been encircled and eliminated. 25 settlements had been taken under control. The largest of them are Severodonetsk, Zolotoye, Gorskoye, Folierovka. The operation was finished yesterday with the liberation of Lisichank, one of the largest cities of the Lugansk People's Republic. In total, within intense offensive actions, 670 square meters of the territory had been taken under control. The armed forces of Ukraine had lost a total of 5,469 persons, including 2,218 dead, 3,251 wounded, 196 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 12 aeroplanes, 1 helicopter, 69 unmanned aerial vehicles, 6 long-range air defense missile systems, 97 combat vehicles equipped with a multiple rocket launcher system, 166 field and armored motor artillery guns, 216 motors vehicles of the different purposes.